In this video I'm going to show you how to create interactive workbooks. In the next video I'll show you how to assign them to the students. Now we can use normal PowerPoint presentations to do this, but it's much more effective by using Google Docs. So that might be a Google Slides or Google Docs itself. So this is my Year 9 Google Classroom. These are PowerPoints. When a student gets in, if they click on a PowerPoint, it'll look like this. They can't edit it at the moment. They have to edit it by clicking on the three dots at the top, clicking in Open a New Window. They still can't edit it. They still then have to click this one, Open with Google Slides. So it basically converts the document. Then they can type in it and it will save it automatically. As soon as they shut the window, it will save. They don't need to do anything about it. We have a marking grid on the end of this, which you can click on, and you could leave comments in there as well. And again, when you get back to the students view, all you need to do is click on the workbook and for each student, and I'll show you how we can do that in a little bit, and you could get straight to it. But it's much easier if you're using Google Slides. For instance, here is an example of a Google Slides show. If I click on one, it will open straight away and the kids can start editing it. So there's not that messing around really with different documents. So if you've got PowerPoint, it's fairly simple to convert them to Google Slides, or if you've got Microsoft Word, to Google Docs. First of all, you need to be logged into your Google Drive. If you upload your PowerPoint directly to your Google Drive, so I'm going to go and find the PowerPoint that I've been working on, which is this one here. It's our student workbook. It will upload it. It will take a couple of seconds to do that. Like magic, it's uploaded it. If I open it up, then got to open it with Google Slides, what we need to do is you need to make a copy of it and save it as a Google Slides document, so that then we can put that straight into our Google Classroom. So once it's opened up, all you need to do is click File and Save as Google Slides. It'll open up a new page. It's worth just checking through this to make sure everything's in the right place. It usually is, but sometimes there can be some small discrepancies. So now we're going to go and look for this in our classroom. To add that on, what we're going to do is we're just going to click Create. We're going to put it in as assignment. I'm going to go and find it in my Google Drive. It should be on my recent because it's the last one I used. There it is, and you can see the difference between Google Slides and PowerPoint. Works exactly the same as Word. This is a Google Docs file. If I add that now, the important part is we need to change this to make a copy for each student. If we forget and we put students can edit file, it will be one document. It could be quite good if you've got teams of students, but we want to make a copy for each student. I'm going to put it in my theory topic just here. I'm going to get a title. Let's just put test for now so the students are not confused. And we're going to assign that. It'll take a couple of seconds to assign. And any second it should work. And here you can see it is. So if I now click on that, it goes straight through to here, and it will be exactly the same for the students. They'll be able to click on it and it will move straight through to the document. Now, to mark these, all you would need to do is click View Assignment. You can see all the students' work will appear here. All you'll need to do is click on one of the students. That will bring you up their documents just here. Click on that document and you can see exactly what they've typed in. You'll also be able to type anything in yourself, and the students will be able to see those responses. You can be typing at the same time as the students, so it's really quite clever.